Hello, welcome this morning. This is Austin, and today we are going to be making our first push to GitHub. Now, to do that, the first thing we are going to do is to make sure that our default branch, you can see the default branch here, make sure that it is developed. I've already made mine developed. And if your own is master, there is a simple way of doing it. Make sure that you're on the Git repo that you're working on. You know, my own is Teamwork Demo. So I'll simply click on settings. That is if you want to develop your default branch. So once settings open, you can see branches here. I'll click on branches, and once it's open, you will now see default branch. So you can select anyone you want. Here I have develop. If I click this arrow, I can make master my default and click on update. It will work. But me, I want develop to be, so I click on develop and update. So it will ask you, do you understand that you want to make this? You say yes. Once you say that, develop becomes your default branch. So your default branch is now develop. So you go back to your Teamwork Demo. Now it's time to make our first commit. Now I'll go back to the code. So I'll add a simple thing. So I might just add, this is hi, prospecting Andela's hello API. So I'll just add this is DevC. So that's the only thing I'm adding, and I'm gonna just say Ctrl S and save it. So now I want to push this to the GitHub. So my whole file, I want to push it. So you can see I'm already on Teamwork Demo. That is the directory that I'm in. So to do that, you simply say git init. That's the first thing you do. You press the enter key, git initialize, git init. Then the second thing you do is git add all. You want git up to add all. Git add all. Actually use dot. Git add dot. That means add all. You press the enter key. So everything is going to be added. Then the next thing you do is say git commit. But as you're committing, you want to commit with a message, and the message is going to be, for me, I'm going to put initial push to GitHub. So that is my commit message, and I'll press the enter key. So you can see commit has done. So the next thing now is to push. So how do you push? You simply push by saying git push and update origin. Git push and update origin. And which are you looking at? Which origin are you looking at? We are looking at develop. That is the origin we are looking at. So we are updating develop at develop. So that is how you push. Then you press the enter key. So once you do that, everything is going to be pushed to GitHub. So subsequently, we are going to be creating branches. You can see it's pushing now. We are going to be creating. It might ask you to put your username and password for your GitHub. So make sure that you put your username and password. So you see it has pushed everything to develop. So when I get back to my stuff now, when I get back to my repo, you can see my repo, everything is now here. So if I refresh, I might be able to see the command that will tell me to merge, so that everything on your own, because I've done push severally on your own. If you see any notice here telling you to merge, or maybe it's still coming up, you just click on it, then you click confirm merge, and everything will be merged to your website, to your Git repo. So make sure you do that, and once you do that, everything will be alright. You can see my own is already merged, because here I have initial push to GitHub 1 minute ago. That's what I just did. So please push to GitHub like that. And if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section for me. Thank you.